What's something people don't know about making perfect scrambled eggs? It's not just about cracking eggs into a pan and stirring them around. There's an art to it, a science even, that can elevate your breakfast game. I'm about to show you the secret. The secret lies in understanding the different textures and flavors you can achieve by varying your technique and ingredients. Imagine starting your day with a plate of perfectly cooked scrambled eggs, tailored exactly to your taste. Whether you prefer them soft and creamy, medium with a bit of texture, or hard and firm, there's a method to achieve your ideal scrambled eggs. First up, the basics: soft, medium, and hard scrambled eggs. Each style has its own unique appeal and can be the star of your breakfast table. Soft scrambled eggs are creamy and velvety, perfect for a luxurious start to your day. The key to achieving this texture is to cook them slowly and gently, allowing the eggs to form small, delicate curds. Medium scrambled eggs have a little more texture but still retain that rich, melt-in-your-mouth goodness. They strike a balance between the creaminess of soft scrambled eggs and the firmness of hard scrambled eggs. Hard scrambled eggs are firm and fully cooked, ideal for those who love a hearty, substantial breakfast. They have a more robust texture and can hold up well to being mixed with other ingredients like vegetables or cheese. Now, let's talk fat. Your choice of butter or oil can make all the difference. The type of fat you use can significantly impact the flavor and texture of your scrambled eggs. Butter adds a rich, indulgent flavor that makes every bite feel like a treat. It gives the eggs a creamy texture and a slightly nutty taste, as the butter browns slightly in the pan. Oil, on the other hand, offers a lighter texture and lets the egg's natural taste shine through. It's a great option if you're looking for a healthier alternative. The type of pan you use is also crucial. A non-stick pan is your best friend when it comes to making scrambled eggs. It ensures that the eggs don't stick to the pan and allows for easy stirring and folding. Start with a non-stick pan on low heat. Low and slow is the mantra for perfect scrambled eggs. Cooking them on low heat allows the eggs to cook evenly and prevents them from becoming rubbery. For soft scrambled, melt a generous pat of butter until it's foamy, then add your beaten eggs. The foamy butter indicates that it's hot enough to start cooking the eggs, but not so hot that it will cook them too quickly. Stir continuously with a spatula, watching as the eggs slowly thicken into a luscious, creamy texture. The constant stirring helps to form small curds and prevents the eggs from setting too quickly. For medium scrambled, a mix of butter and oil works wonders. The combination of fats gives the eggs a balanced flavor and texture. Pour in your eggs and gently fold them, giving them time to set slightly before stirring. This technique allows the eggs to develop a bit more structure while still retaining some creaminess. You'll get a beautiful balance of creamy and firm. The eggs will have a more defined texture, but will still be soft enough to melt in your mouth. This texture is perfect for those who enjoy a bit of both worlds. It's also great for adding other ingredients like herbs or cheese. And for hard scrambled, go for oil. Oil has a higher smoke point than butter, which allows you to cook the eggs at a slightly higher temperature without burning them. Let the eggs sit a bit longer between stirs, allowing them to cook through completely and develop a lovely, firm texture. The key is to let the eggs set slightly before stirring, which helps to form larger curds and a more robust texture. So, there you have it: soft, medium, or hard butter or oil. Each method offers a unique experience and can be tailored to your personal preference. Your perfect scrambled eggs await. Whether you're cooking for yourself or for a crowd, mastering these techniques will ensure that you can make scrambled eggs that everyone will love. Breakfast just got a whole lot better. With these tips and techniques, you can elevate your scrambled eggs from ordinary to extraordinary. Enjoy! Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy cooking tips.